Hello and welcome to Unit 1.2, Atomic Structure and the Periodic Table. So here you can see element X, and as shown on the periodic table, there are two numbers on the left side of the element. So the top number is called the atomic number, which shows the number of protons within the nucleus of that element. And then the number on the bottom is known as the mass number, which is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. Therefore, this number is always bigger than the atomic number other than the element of hydrogen. So you guys need to know the relative masses and the relative charges of what's found within the nucleus, as well as electrons which are found in shells. So the proton, as you can see, is its relative mass is 1 and its relative charge is +1. An electron has a relative mass of it's like so small that you just don't need to even consider it, so it's negligible. And then the relative charge is -1, and a neutron's relative mass is 1 and its relative charge is 0. All elements are neutral due to the relative charge of the protons cancelling out the relative charge of the electrons. So you will never find an element in its natural state with having a charge. It's always neutral. So here's an example of hydrogen. So H is the element. Its atomic number is 1, which shows that there's 1 proton present. And there are no neutrons, so its mass number is still 1. So here we're just going to label it hydrogen. 1 proton, 0 neutrons, because 1 + 0 is 1. And, oh yes, also, sorry, the atomic number always has the same number of electrons, like the protons and the electrons always have the same number. This is so that they can cancel out to make the element neutral. So here you can see that there's a nucleus, so we're drawing hydrogen here. So the grey circle is the nucleus, and within the nucleus is 1 proton. And then we have the 1 electron present as well. Okay, so this would be the structure of hydrogen. And then, as you can see, there's 0 neutrons present in the nucleus.